Hey everyone, welcome back to Ad with Ad. Recently, one of my videos sparked a lot of debate in the comments, so today we're diving deeper into the reason that some maths questions can be so controversial: poorly defined problems. Have you ever tackled a maths problem that seemed impossible to solve, only to realise later that it was missing some crucial information? Or maybe the question was worded so confusingly that you weren't even sure what it was asking. If so, you're not alone. These are examples of poorly defined problems, and they can be a real headache. So what exactly are poorly defined problems? Simply put, these are problems that lack clear definitions, constraints, or necessary information. Unlike well-defined problems, which have a single clear solution, poorly defined problems leave too much room for interpretation. Now, let's look at some real-world examples of poorly defined problems. Example 1. The classic bat and ball problem. It goes something like this. A bat and ball together cost $1.10. The bat costs $1 more than the ball. How much does the ball cost? Many people quickly answer 10 cents, but that's actually incorrect. The correct answer is 5 cents. The problem here is that it's easy to misinterpret the wording and miss the logical steps needed to solve it. Example 2. Consider a maths puzzle that asks, "What number am I thinking of?" without providing any clues or constraints. This question is impossible to answer correctly because it lacks the necessary information to determine the solution. Missing information is a classic example of how to make a question ambiguous. Example 3. Viral internet maths challenges. You've probably seen these on social media. Things like, solve this equation, 8 divided by 2, brackets 2 plus 2. The lack of clear brackets and order of operations can lead to multiple interpretations and heated debates online. In this case, half of people complete the operations from left to right, as we were taught in school when we first learnt, while other people who are more familiar with advanced maths tend to group terms together. So what are the consequences of poorly defined problems? They can lead to confusion, frustration, and even misconceptions about mathematical concepts. When people encounter these kinds of problems, it can undermine their confidence and make maths seem more difficult than it actually is. But don't worry, there are ways to tackle these tricky problems. Here are some strategies to help you handle poorly defined problems. First, ask clarifying questions. If a problem seems vague, try to get more information. In a classroom setting, this might mean just asking your teacher for more details. Second, make reasonable assumptions. If you can't get more information, make logical assumptions based on the given data and state these assumptions clearly in your solution. This is used in mathematical modelling in real-life situations where nothing is perfect. Third, consider multiple solutions. Sometimes a problem can have more than one valid interpretation. Explore different approaches and see if they lead to different answers. Remember, maths is all about critical thinking and problem solving. When you encounter a poorly defined problem, use it as an opportunity to sharpen these skills. To recap, poorly defined problems are those that lack clear definitions, constraints, or necessary information. They can lead to confusion and frustration, but by asking clarifying questions, making reasonable assumptions, and considering multiple solutions, you can tackle these problems with confidence. Thank you for watching. If you've encountered any confusing maths problems, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more maths insights. See you next time.